It took one look and forever laid out in front of me. One smile, then I died, only to be revived by you. There I was, thought I had everything figured out. Goes to show just how much I know about the way life plays out. I take one step away, then I find myself coming back to you, my one and only, one and only you. Oh, they told me that this wouldn't be easy, and
Ayun, ito na po yung nag-drawing. Hello po. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa nag-stay. Thank you so much po. Ayan. Nasaan ako dyan, Lay? Ayan. Di ba po, ang gulo ng itsura. Ayan. Tapos lang po natin sa trabaho, di pa tapos. Ayan, salamat po. Shoutout po dun sa... si Kuya E-Bike talaga, oh.
though I'm not one to complain, I take one step away, then I find myself coming back